Hello students, today we are going to start the question and answers. Question number 1. What kind of a person do you think the narrator and a veterinary surgeon is? Would you say he is tactful as well as common sense? Answer is, the narrator was truly professional vet. He diagnosed the reason behind the ill health of the pet. He handled the situation tactfully. He adjusted himself well to the circumstances. He immediately understood Tricky's problem. Tricky didn't suffer from any sort of illness. He took the dog to his surgery. There he keeps it in natural environment. The dog gets well under the supervision and natural environment of surgery. Question number 2. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Answer number 2 is, when Tricky saw its mistress, it jumped into her lap, and thus we can say that Tricky was happy to go home. Tricky was also happy at the surgery. When the dog was brought into the surgery, it was ill, but in spite of it, the dog got cured in 2 days without any medication. The proper diet and regular exercise helped a lot in its speedy recovery. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey would give extraordinary attention and would over-pamper him. It is praiseworthy, but it would make Tricky's listless again. Question number 3. Do you think this is a real-life episode or mere fiction, or is it a mixture of both? The story could be a mixture of both real life episode and fiction. Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich lady and has a pet dog. Although she has good intention in her mind, but excess of everything is bad. It can be called real life for those parents who take excessive care of their child. She overfed her pet that shocked the vet. He observed that its mistress had pampered it to the level that made her pet lethargic and listless. Question number 4. The episode described the silly behavior of a rich woman who is foolish, indulgent, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly, or can their action cause harm to others? The answer is, the episode describes about a rich lady who seems to be a lonely, as her focus was too much on her pet. Mrs. Pumphrey overfed it at her home and also sent food to the surgery. Thus, she does extra care that worsens the health of Tricky. Question number 5. Do you think there are also parents like Mrs. Pumphrey? Answer 5. Mrs. Pumphrey is certainly an epitome of over-indulgent caretakers. Yes, there are parents who are too much possessive about their kids. Their overdoing of things harm their children. Either they become rebellious or too docile to raise their voice. There are some examples of strict parents who put unnecessary pressure on their child for study and particular behavior pattern. Question number 7. What would you have done if you were a member of a staff in Mrs. Pumphrey household, a neighbor, what would your life have been like in general? Answer is, as a staff, I would have no other way than to would Mrs. Pumphrey's orders, otherwise she would have sacked me of my job. As a neighbor, I would have given her the proper suggestion, but the choice of the following of refusing my suggestions is up to her. She is a rich lady who loves to splurge her money, so there is least chance that anybody can forcefully change her opinion about a subject. Question number 8. What would you have done if you were in the narrator's place? The answer is, I would have done the same thing which the narrator did. In addition to it, I would have strongly recommended for the severity of health hazard the over-pampering could do. Thank you, students. Please note down this question and answer in your notebook.